Beavish New Buddies. This is Fetters Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. This morning we have to go haul keefer from the one farmer over to the pet bottling plant to get bottled for the pet food company, so we're gonna go do that quick before we start our morning chore. I've worked for this pet food company, if you want to call it that. I worked for the farming side of it for quite a few years now. I've hauled goat milk, cow milk. There for a year and a half, I was running down to Philadelphia every 2 weeks. That was like, what was it, 400 miles round trip running down there. I was getting 2 skids of fish bones. The fishmongers down there, they would fillet the fishes, and then whatever was left out, they would freeze it, and I would haul it home, and they'd make fermented fish broth out of it. But I haul 1,000 gallons of fermented cow keefer, cow milk keefer, every week for the last, I don't know how long. So somebody's buying this stuff. It ain't me though. My dogs are getting kibble. The cheap. Well, now we got that done. Now we can work around the house today. Get some stuff done around here. How's that sound? Oh, it's not red rusted anymore, it's green. Looks like algae water. Look at it. I'd say it did something. So now we just flush it with clean water a couple times, maybe twice. And hopefully the Evapo-Rust did its magic, its juju. Hope for good juju. Well, there's another day down the hole. We didn't get nothing done. Sarah we were spring cleaning. And I told her it ain't even spring, Sarah. Well, we gotta get rid of some stuff. Oh. So I burnt trash all day, and I didn't even film none of it because it was just burning trash. How boring is that? But we're definitely thinking about starting our starter seeds here shortly. So one of these days we're gonna have to do that because I want to get that done before it's too late.